woke up this morning, rise with the lights and sun. Pretty little birds sail on my doorstep. They're singing sweet songs with melodies going through, and then say what?
This is my message to you.
Tell everybody, put your hands in the air. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Don't worry about a thing, baby girl. Come on.
It's gonna be alright.
It's gonna be alright. That day is over, baby. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Hey, don't worry about a thing, baby girl. Come on, it's gonna be alright. Tell me back now, come on. Hey, drums from Jamaica right now. Come on, we got the root bun boy from Kingston. Hit it up. Get it up for the band, guys. This is what we do. It's a jam session. That's how we improvise. Hey! I love it. Say, baby, don't worry about a thing. Everybody put your hands in the air now. Come on. For the legend Bob Marley, let's go. Baby, don't worry. Baby, don't worry. Ain't no don't worry about a thing, baby girl. Come on.
It's gonna be alright.
It's gonna be alright. That day, baby, don't worry about a thing. Room boy. Just every little thing is gonna be alright. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, guys. That's awesome. That's how we used to do it in Cuba, improvise live. I just want to say one thing in honor to the great Bob Marley. During my career, I had the greatest opportunity of my life to go to actually the Strike Lee studio in Kingston. And I had the opportunity to perform with the Chosen Few, Bonnie Brown. And we recorded in the Strike Lee studio where Bob Marley and the Wailers used to do their hits. That was the highlight of my career. Even though we did more things, but that was a day that I couldn't believe that I was recording there after growing up with his music. So honor to the legend and honor to the musicians on stage. Thank you so much.
Sir.